Victorian. I hope I am. Doing today, diolch am ddod draw. Thank you for coming. Dwi yn fyw, sweet. Diolch I pawb am ddod draw. Thank you very for coming. Yeah, so bod yn gobeithio. Diolch am ddod draw. So this is just going to be like a little video. I thought I would do it live because I can't upload to YouTube. At the moment, I'm actually uploading to YouTube efo technoleg with my technology basically at the moment. So I've only been playing for about a week or two, wythnos today, with the base game growing infant. That's okay. I don't know, I think I'm overbuilding. Dwi'n meddwl dim mwy adlas yn lle chwarae live. Well, let's get on with it. So, I thought I was in Danos builds. So this is inspired. Mae hwn wedi cael ysbrydoli. Sorry, dwi ar PlayStation. I'm on PlayStation. So the controls aren't very good. But mae hwn terrace yma wedi cael ysbrydoli gen fatha Victorian wooden terrace. Balcony ar tu allan. It looks really cute. Balcony ar y top. Hwn oedd adeilad gyntaf. This was my first building. And this is inspired by like a Victorian wooden terrace. You've got like a little garden. Patio bach fan I don't know what I'm digwydd. I wasn't sure what it's actually doing here. I'm not going to So hwn yw'r llawr gyntaf. This is ground floor. Mae gen chi fatha living room. A bathing custom looks more numbered. So all this like Victorian wood paneling Victorian yma, lle tân. So you have that shim there. I would like to get like a proper chimneys in Sims. So you've got like wooden wood paneling, you've got a fireplace, you know, just sort of thing. Downstairs toilet lawr grisiau with just, you know, where it is, lle mae bob dim, just it's really handy to have a downstairs toilet. Mae'n really handy cael downstairs lawr grisiau, a wedyn ar gyfer gwahanol Sims, fel ni'n neud danos mwy ar hwn show in a second. Yn y tŷ yma, in this house, I wanted the kitchen to be the main bit and like the home and where everything happens, like the homework and stuff. So o'n eisiau cegin cefn gwlad, like a big country kitchen sort of type thing. Dwi'n meddwl gesio yma, mae'r microwave wedi glitcho, microwave wedi cael ei glitcho. And dwi'n meddwl gesio, I think I got it, so it's like this is where the hub of the home is, so it's the largest. So, you know, we've got like the Welsh dresser Cymraeg o fan'na. This is kind of like the pantry sort of type thing. Dyna pan ma'n fawr, I really like that. Tried to go for like an oldie world feel, bob dim efo dodrefn, dodrefn hen. Mae chi'n dod fewn, mae'r grisiau'n right in front yn yr main hallway. Wedyn, mae chi lle I bita fama, lle just tu allan. Da wneud pethau, lle chwarae chess, lle gyfer logic. Mae hwn mwy ar gyfer fatha skills personal Sims. Personal skill Sims. So hwn yw'r llawr aisle. This is the second floor. Got bathroom, another oldie worldy style. And then ti'n bach mwy modern hefo bathroom. This went a bit more modern with the bathroom, but still keeping it old style. This bath is so handy because it can do shower and baths at the same time, and it's just safe space. This is the bedroom, hwn yw'r main bedroom. And I went for this like wood paneling sort of type thing. Mama did trio newid a gwahanol bob room adeilad, bob room, bob stafell a little bit different. So yeah, just mod cons. It's not much. I'll renovate that one. Dwi wedi bod chwarae mwy. Might renovate it now I've been playing more. Most important rooms in this house is the kitchen and the studio. Our studio sef fama. So cario ymlaen yr thema o'r wood paneling, carry on the theme of the wood paneling. So my Sims are mainly knowledge Sims, artist Sims and music. So music Sims a bob dim. So mae chi cyfrifiaduron, personal desks yma, personal desks. You've got 2 easels, one there. This is my Sims easel because it's more arty one. And this is their little like art nook. Dyma di nook celf nhw. You've got like little book lle eistedd chilio allan o yma. You've got the balcony connectio i'r balcony cael ei connectio i'r studio. The balcony connects to the studio. You got easels. You got like all the art and stuff ar y wal. Hi-fi about dim. Pride flag. No grisiau hefyd. Then you've got like the second floor, just sort of. Lle mae'n mynd? Hwn yw'r llawr top. I don't know why that doesn't do it there, but never mind. So my first child sim child gyntaf fi yw Awen, a maen nhw'n teenager and they're aged up to teenager, so mi oedd am fatha ystafell plant. It was like a really kids room, so that there's 3 versions. Mae 3 version o hwnna ar y gallery, just dangos mwyn i ddod, show at the end and in a second hefyd. So you've got modern terrace, Victorian inspired terrace because my game was glitchy and I did safio dau, it saved 2. Then you've got family terrace, which just got the kids room, and then you've got this terrace, which is now that I've updated, that's got an infant room in it as well. So you got a child in an infant room, but I've updated the child room. Did you update your sefyll plant i mwy teenager? I do wish there was more teenager stuff in the base game, so they keep on mwy o teenager stuff in a game base. And that, yeah, bathroom arall, because mae'n really handy. This is just hwn yw'r llawr plant. This is the floor, the children's floor. So basically, this is where they can hang out and stuff. So they didn't gorfod dod lawr, so they don't have to come downstairs, and they've got their own bathroom and things like that. And then this is the infant. Well, to say, I do like the infant base game update. Dwi'n licio'r infant update efo'r decor, the decor and stuff. Gameplay, it's not so much. You need the pack. But I gyfer the infant. So my child room before was this teenage room was science. The mwy science, mwy gwyddoniaeth. At one, this infant room I've done more fantasy. Dwi'n mwy fantasy. So Draig Coch, you got Red Dragon, little monsters and stuff. My rug yma, really cute. This rug's really cute. Reminds me of Hilda. She's a brilliant kids animated show. So I kind of went with this fantasy, like nature theme in the infant. Yeah, this is dyna di'r family terrace. So mae hwnna ar hyn o bryd, as it is. It is under family terrace, dwi'n credu. I believe it's family terrace. Dwi'n gwybod mae'n terrace teulu. My game is very slow because of another build or build araf, which is the main bit. Or is it the Atra? I don't know. I think it's a family terrace though. It's Atra on my thing, on my save. But yeah, it's under family terrace. Mae'n tipyn bach drud, it's a little bit expensive, but you know. Sorry, check family terrace. So yeah, it's under family terrace. I'll double check them in a second. And then bydd e'n mynd i wneud yw, cos mae babi'n cysgu, the baby's sleeping. And we're gonna go and so this was my first build. The build has literally evolved hefo'r teulu. The build has literally evolved with the family, which I kind of like. But my second build was for my something that I did with my friend called Herm, who streams over on Captain Herm on Twitch. I've streamed a lot of the building live. Dwi 'di streamio building live I gyd ar my Twitch, which is Linnet Creative, I think should be in here. I've tried anyway. Dwi trio fanna. So this is a sim I did of him, because he's more on the writery side, ar ochr ysgrifennydd, a licio horror and likes horror and stuff. Nes I gael ysbrydol, I took some inspiration and stuff from like a haunted, you know, like when you know that you got the writer that's like haunted writer sort of type thing, goes to the woods, finds a cabin, and they gael cabin, I'm in their woods, gets inspiration sort of type thing. When they get art block, you have it in horror films mewn ffilmiau arswych, lle maen nhw'n mynd I ganol y coed, they find a cabin in the middle of the woods, cabin yn ganol y coed, get writing, ghost helps them, they might bury some dead bodies maen nhw'n, ella lladd pobl yn efo. This is inspiration for that. This is all base game as well, all in the gallery, all base game. Yeah, don't you like it? All base game, because I don't have any packs, don't have cat packs. But so o'r stryd, from the street, o'r stryd. Bore da, Allyll, sut wyt ti? How are you, Allyll? Good morning. So o'r stryd, we're just doing like a little build tour, because I can't upload to YouTube with the videos. Ddim yn gallu ffildio efo fideos, so archeifio builds fi. Sut wyt ti heddiw? How are you today? So this is look from the street, for o'r stryd, ti'n gallu gweld nhw, dyna beth y pwynt o'r cabin aswrych yma, ysgrifennydd aswrych. This whole wedyn, so you can't see it from any point of the cabin, you can't see it from any point of the back, which I kind of like. Pan ydych chi'n dod fewn I lot, you come into the lot. A dwi'n iawn, diolch. And these nice halo kiddo yma. It's a lovely day today, so I'm going to possibly tidy up and need stew of them. So to tea, how big you plan if you heddiw? What is your plans today? A wedyn, pan ydych chi'n dod fewn I lot, you come into the lot, gen chi outhouse bach yma, toilet bach tu allan. So outhouse. A dwi'n neud efo rhywun with that wood panelling yma. Herm sets everything on fire, mae'n setio bod dim ar tân, so felly mae'n gofod fod fire alarm. There's got to be a fire alarm there. So it's all this. So dyma ddim yn edrych fel o tu allan. Kind of cabin-y looking sort of type thing. Wedyn tu fewn. Dwi wedi cario fewn, carried this antique sort of look for the vibe. No, like another Welsh dresser here, and in cymharu efo'r tŷ gynt, to compare with the other house, where's the large kitchen, like inspired by like a Welsh country kitchen, like where that's the hub where you do your homework, you know, you spend time with food, you spend time with people, ti'n neud gwaith cartre, chwarae time efo teulu a bob dim. This is more just needs be kitchen, because this is mainly about the writer. Hwn yn gyfer ysgrifennu a cael lle I ysbrydoli ar gyfer ysgrifennu. I did try and see if I could do like a haunted vibe for it, because you know, horror films and the writer cabin and Coedwig, like writer cabins in the wood, but I couldn't really. So just got thing. This did have an antique looking stove, but I kept setting it on fire, so we knew that. I changed it. Base game has got a lot of antique and old looking furniture sy'n gweithio'n really dda, works really well, gweithio'n really dda, and I like these base game really dda gyfer these little separators, because mae bob dim yn fawr a llefydd gwag, so I just separated this sort of here, di gwagio fama. So hwn yw'r lle ysgrifennu. This is just a writer's room. Fel ni'n very basic needs ar gyfer sgiliau, ar gyfer ysgrifennu. For like skills and things. You've got a little library. Guitar, because most of the creative Sims like to do something else, so I put guitar there as well so they can get inspired. So os maen nhw eisiau gael ysgrifennu, if you want to write that books and quality ones, I think you get inspired on guitar and then write ysgrifennu. This was really going to be like a little book nook, but then it turned into like a TV room, lle teledu. Then just like a little space to eat and ysgrifennu fel dim fanna hefyd if you wanted to. Then kind of gone the same thing with here with bedroom, just sort of, like I said, fel ni'n deud, mae'r base game yn gyfer dodron ni dda, fel dodron mewn o dresses Cymraeg, was dress sort of type thing, and just the old school sort of vibes. That's what it looks like tu allan. So that is the writer's cabin. Na di'r cabin ysgrifennydd. A ni'n licio for style ma cael fatha. This was originally going to be the outhouse, and then got bod y tŷ bach, but you know, I kind of licio bod y tŷ bach hefyd tu allan. So this is under writer's cabin in, dwi'n credu, nope, it's not quite cabin. My game is glitchy as anything. Don't know if anybody else has been having this. So now I wedi gael. But whenever I load my save, like all the friends that my Sims have made, just get unfriended. So that's my edrych dwi'n meddwl am. That's how it looks on the Sims gallery under Lynette cosplay, neu writer's cabin. And then I'll do like a little recap danos pawb. Danos bob un. But yeah, I don't know if fi'n arall gael anybody else has been getting this, and pan dwi'n lwydro nôl fewn, if they're not part of the household, mae'r ffrindiau just difanu. I don't know why. Like I said, I'm on PlayStation, PlayStation, so mae game yn gallu... Mae'n mond dechrau glitcho ar ôl fi adeiladu plas awen. So we started building after building plas awen, which is in this one. So background, each one of my builds has a purpose. Mae bob un o build efo pwrpas neu ar gyfer y Sims, or for the Sims characters, or for the Sims, you know, like what I intend to do with them. So this one was inspired by a lot of Welsh places in Welsh rural buildings. Mae adeilad yma wedi cael ysbrydoli gen lot o llefydd yn Cymru a adeiladau cefn gwlad Cymraeg. As you can see, there's a lot of trees on it. But basically mae wedi cael ysbrydoli gen llefydd fel Plas Glyn Llifon, Glyn y Weddw, Studio Maelor, lle at Caris Bryn, St Fagans. It's been inspired by places like Plas Glyn Llifon, Plas Glyn y Weddw, Studio Maelor, lle at Caris Bryn, St Fagans, lot of like old buildings that have been renovated into a new purpose, and mainly art creative spots. And this is an art community creative lot is under as a museum. And lots creadigol, cymunedol creadigol, mae dan yn y gallery as a amgueddfa. But I wanted somewhere where you could go, so if you have a gardening Sims, a writing Sims, a musician Sims, or an art Sims, or mixology one as well, dwi'n credu, and a cooking one, they can all do stuff here. Maen nhw'n gallu gwneud bob dim yma. They can do, os ydych chi'n peintio, os ydych chi'n gwneud cerddoriaeth, os ydych chi'n garddio, os ydych chi'n gwneud mixologist neu bar, it's all here in one spot, and it took me so long. So long, I'm more happy so. And most of the Sims that I'm interacted with, nothing is contradicting it. Oh, this is also good if you want to create a wedding venue. So nhw'n gael, os ydych chi'n newid o tweakio fo gyfer lle priodas, because it's got art residency little cottage that you can create food, like the cake and stuff there, and like a fancy garden at the back where you could have it, or you know, cael gwarad o llefydd. There's also places where you can have it. Mae yna gardd fancy yn y cefn lle dach chi'n newid ei lle gyfer priodas. chi'n gallu bwthyn hefyd, lle chi'n gallu cwcio'r cacen a bob dim. So it's really handy. That's what the whole point was. Because in Plas Cynulleidfa 1, you do get to chi yn gallu there's a lot ar hwn, I will admit. There is a lot on this. So, o'r tu allan, from the outside, you've got the main bit. This is the main gallery. Hwn yw'r art gallery celf yn y caffi fama. That's directly inspired by Plas Cynulleidfa 1. Hwn wedi cael ei directly ysbrydoli gan Plas Cynulleidfa 1. But all these outbuildings inspired by lle art Carsbryn. Mae adeiladau mae gyd wedi ysbrydoli gan old cottages and turned them into interactive places. So breathing old life into the story is a story to know him. It's an old farm that's been converted into an art community lot. So you've got a fishing pond here as well, so if you're similar to fish, then definitely find that. I don't have one for like finding stuff at digio because I couldn't figure out how to do that. I couldn't figure out how to do like the foraging and stuff there. I don't know if that's base game or if that's something limited and still learning to do down this game. So this is your bar and art studio yn adeilad yma. Gen chi your art residency, so studio Meilor. My studio Meilor yn art residency. Lle ydych chi'n gallu aros yn pethau, so that's an actual like living cottage. So this is the music rooms, music studio. And then the writing one is in here. So I'm tu allan gynta. We'll do it outside first. Hwna yw'r giat dod mewn. So you got like family, chwarae, chilling out sort of place. If you've got kids, da chi'n gallu gweithio ar eu motor skills hefyd. Chi chess a bob dim. Lle filio dim dan bach fama. Gen chi lle garddio, you've got a little gardening spot. Fama mae'n chi lle I bysgota. This is a place if you want to fish. A space if you want to grill fama, because mae'r caffi ochr arall, because the caffi the other place there's no place to grill there. And then fama, I've tried to create some quiet spots, lle distaw, so you can still enjoy outdoors but not be like where main lle plant I chwarae, main kids place to play is. This is another quiet spot in the middle of the woods, gan ôl y coed yn fama. A dyn ochr y fama, mae gen chi gerddiau fancy garden a fama sy'n gallu fod yn arfer priodasa. This place could be good for a wedding, or you could do the wedding up front, yn lle front hefyd. This is like another woodlandy bit, because where Plas Cynulleidfa is, lle mae Plas Cynulleidfa yn Llanbedrog, mae lle coedwig I mynd fyny'r Iron Giant. It's like a big forestry bit before you go up to Iron Giant, so I tried to emulate that. And then yn caffi mewn lle eistedd yma eto hefyd, caffi bach, chi'n dod mewn i'r front. So yeah, so you can have like the wedding bit here, you can have it lots of different places, and lle just eistedd hefyd. And we'll start with the music room. So hwn yw'r music studio, fel we cael vibe, Plas Cynulleidfa 1. Lots of just art creative vibes, so it's an old farm that's been converted into a community area rather than being as a holiday home to create opportunities for people and create opportunities for people. So fama, I've done these two are the recording rooms. Hwn yw'r lle recordio, so with the red lights in the recording studio when you've got the red light recording sort of light. This is meant to represent the mixing desk area fama, lle fydd y mixing desk efo chi'n gallu godol so you can see in. Then you've got like lle cerddoriaeth where you actually record the music efo'r offrena with all the instruments. Then these are all the foam boards, so you see like when YouTubers or Twitch people, when YouTubers, Twitch people, creative people just have like the foam boards for the noise cancelling. Don't bet nhw, maen just paintings, but I think they kind of work. Yn kind of gweithio. Then hwn yw'r green room, stafell werth, where you can just chill out, practice before, or if you just want to practice instruments with your Sims, like guitars hwnna, violin, and a violin yma hefyd. Wedyn hwn yw'r ystafell piano, this is the piano room. Wedyn, these are influencer ones, but I just thought they're a nice little touch for like chalkboard, so you can be like, so and so has this room and stuff like that. When we get here, so ystafell piano, so gallu mwynhau sy'n chwarae piano fanna. And then this is mainly to build skills, but also just like an art community chill out lot. So there's not really toddler stuff. And on the alternate leisure centre, I was thinking, but there's not a lot of toddler and stuff. I was thinking doing maybe like a leisure centre inspired by Gynolfan Hamden and Pwllheli, the leisure centre in Pwllheli for that. Diweddaraf basically this is like a little bar, tiny little community bar thing, so the musicians who have practiced here, learned here, can play, maen nhw'n gallu chwarae. Then you got art gallery opening nights, there's going to be mixology and stuff. Got the pride flag as always, got this like oldie worldy again feel, because they're old abandoned not abandoned but renewed cottages. Beth yna wedi cael ei creu I pwrpas arall. Tŷ bach tu allan, got a little chill out back for the gyfer thingy, the gyfer y bar. Then yeah, just lle bach, cymunedol, little chill out bar. They're kind of something on the priodas because you've got a bit of everything in here for wedding rooms, got a bit of everything. Art studio, and I really love that the Sims have actually been using it. A lot of different Sims have been using it, and I love that. So I'm going to you've got the art rack, the canvas rack that things been painted, various different ones. You could you find them a lot with classes and stuff. And then you got like if you wanted to sit down and read or draw digitally, and then you're digital fanna hefyd. So you got like lle messy sinks I llnau paent, because sometimes you got special places to clean paint I llnau paent. Wedyn gegin bach am coffee, snacks and food while chi'n paintio while you're painting. And then pan dach chi gorffan paintio, or if you want to just chill out for a bit, you've got another little chill out spot fel yr studio cerddoriaeth, like the music studio. Then gennych chi lle adeiladu gyfer pren fama, lle little woodworking bit here as well then. And then, because o'r fumes o bob dim, because the fumes in the woodworking place, you've got like big windows you can just open up a cael yr dust o bob dim allan fana. Oh, then, sorry, this is lot man lot. This is the art residency cottage. So, just generic little cottage, not much, dim yn fwy. Gegin dip bach fawr, ond hefyd fatha lle chi, like your desk area for your writing stuff as well. It's mainly just art residency, you'd be mainly doing stuff every day with the efo'r amgueddfa a llefydd fel yna, so dim yn main lle, just lle cysgu, lle preifat fama I chi, a little private bit for you to chill out in as well. Sometimes we need that after thing, and need lots of bethau pobl. Then we have the main part of the build. I'm really happy with hwn. So this is directly inspired by plas weddell with some variations. So pan dach chi'n dod fewn, this is like a little foyer bit foyer fama. A wedyn dach chi'n dod fewn i'r ystafell goch yma, you bring into this red extravagant room thing. In real life it's got like bwyd go iawn, mae yna grisiau enfawr fynd dau ochr ond ym llun Sims. Lle tân, you've got like sculptures and stuff, and also there's not a theme for the paintings, there's not llun o gyfer paintings fama ar gyfer fod it's just the main room. You know, that reception desk, Pan chi ddod mewn, reception desk, dim yn gweithio hwnna. Doesn't work like that because it's Sims, but it's fine. Then, you've got, sorry, one lot, I don't know how much I've built here. You've got the main gallery, clear gallery, and the theme here is fancy frames fancy. There's more the music bit, hwn yw'r lle cerddoriaeth y fama. Dwi'n put any there, never mind. Fframiau fancy o'r theme fama. Ti'n trio cael theme ar gyfer bob ystafell exhibition. So this is there. Fama, mae gen chi'r toiletau. So this is the disabled toilet fama. And then you've got 3 toilets fama. So you've got 4, I think got 6 toilets in total. 1 disabled and the other ones just really peth, just basic needs. Entrancey bach bit fama. Then you got the gift shop. Nes I trio neud gift shop bach fama. So you got like, these would be like ceramics for sale, ceramics ar gyfer werth fama. Then the till bit. Then just sort of like things for sale ar gyfer werth. Then you walk through to the cafe. And the cafe, there's 2 entrances to it. And bwyd iawn, sometimes going to weather when you hire it will open these doors out and have this as the cafe ar dyddiau dydd, a dyddiau brysur will have this as the cafe or workshop area, so workshop. A wedyn, so mae'r cafe, well, bod dim yma gyd wedi cael sblolig yn Glynweddw, everything's been inspired by Glynweddw. Little menu fama ar gyfer beth yna, lle chi just little cafe, another display bit about pethau ar gyfer werth. Sometimes, then you got like local information, pamphlets and stuff. Now, ffordd mynd I tu allan, go to outside. And this is your serving booth, lle syrfio chi. Couldn't get cash registers and stuff, so I'm trying my best. Then this hwn yw'r gegin. This is the kitchen, so it's not big, but you know, it'll manage. The smoke alarms bob yn stafell hefyd, lle mae'n tan gallu defnyddio. Then you can go through a gegin i'r sculpture room, i'r ystafell sculpture. So hwn mwy fatha some more local books a llyfrau references pethau, cos mae'n workshops yn digwydd yma hefyd. Some more ceramics and stuff. Then you got like sculptures and plinths. Ar gyfer y plinths, what I did was just bedside cabinet, turned it to white. Well, I think mae'n gweithio. I think it works. There's some plinths in the Sims. There's no plinths as such in Sims. And just some display sculpture stuff. And then here there's like foreground, there's like more artist ceramics and stuff, but gweithio. A little faux fireplace. And then pan i'n fyny grisia, we've got another main room. Gonna ni lle main room arall. Stafell canolog arall. And this is more the theme. This is classic paintings. And very like toned down colour, so you know, if you've had too much light and colour gola a lliw yn llefydd eraill, this is just like more of a chill out area. The thingy room. This is the little like, it's going to be a little book nook, but it's like a little landscape room. The landscape a place there and knows what to look and just look out. And then stafell yma, this room here, yw'r stafell portrait a sketches and portraits. So I wanted it more of a just rougher look with everything a bit everywhere. Lle tân yma hefyd, because it's an old building that has multiple fireplaces yma lle lot o llefydd tân, so yeah. Then here is the modern art room, neu pop art room. Ystafell modern art and pop art room. So I can do a bit of mixture here. Canvases ar y llawr, canvases on the floor. Yeah, this is just random sort of bits and bobs there. Then this is the ceramic room, hwn yw'r ystafell ceramic. Efo hanes efo ceramic trwy'r oesoedd a hanes yr adeilad, so it's got like a ceramic room where it's got ceramics from all over the years and the history of the place. So you can see here, I like these to separate the room a bit, to give a bit of guidance, to be back to guidance. I didn't actually with that. These are meant to represent like, you know, building history things. And I've decorated these dresses with like old antique decorative things. You can carry on to carry on the idea of like old ceramic things. Then this is the little print room. Only a print room tiny. It's mainly copies and prints of all the other ones. These ones represent like you've got like a little display thing in there in plastic and clear. On the weather side, where you can simply print the prints, where you can buy the prints. That's why they're on the floor. And it's multiples of them, of most of the other ones, but they're all like yeah, a little bit random, but it's more for like the print room. Then Trafama, this is the admin or the writing room. So if you've got writer sims, they can come here and get in the drama. I haven't put every desk with a computer. Dwi'n meddwl creators, so if your sim wants to read, ma' nhw'n gallu. They're nearly all with computers. Ma' nhw'n bron hefo creator, and then you've got like try to go more the gothic look fama, mwy gothic look y cyfer ysgrifennydd. Yn lle I darllen. You've got like these big little reading nook fama, lle I darllen yn mwy fama. So yeah, like a little library type thing. And then you've got gennych chi'r tour. Got a tour with like the fireplaces and things. Ew, I haven't done that. Okay. You don't know what you're doing there. I do apologise. But honestly, you're not going to play this top floor anyway. But yeah, got to down one anyway. I won't say on dwi'n gweld ar creative, I don't know PC, my PlayStation, ma' hwnna'n little bit glitchy. Dipyn bach glitchy, and yeah, dwi'n licio fo so far, dwi'n licio fo all together. And plus awen. Awen is, ma' awen yn reference hefyd I awen Ceridwen yn stori o Taliesin y Ceridwen. I don't fancy gael it because it's a place of inspiration and lle ysbrydolaeth. So yeah, diolch I pawb. So this is those are all my builds. I really like it. Dwi'n really licio nhw. I think they're all really cute. I think they're really cute. I really like how this turned out because man, over with them and they all came out the same way, but this one is the one I'm most proud of. It took a while, and man coloriadra, it reminds me of home. I think it worked well. I'm gweithio dda iawn. I will show you be ma' nhw yn sydyn one, what they're all on the gallery as. So all these are on the gallery, all base game, yn yr cynt, ma' nhw gyd ar y gallery. Base game gyd, so ddech chi'n gweld cael packs, ddech chi'n gweld prynu additional pethau, cos dwi'n hefo nhw, and also dwi'n meddwl dos Sims gach chwarae head press. I think you should be able to play Sims without money. Because you know, I should. The game takes a little while. The game gonna dip in back. I feel I really did like each Sims house I've done. Try to present the Sims that they are. I might do a leisure centre because it's not like a real. There's a gym, but I like leisure centre. Pwllheli yn gyrraedd them. Gynnodd yn have them pwllheli, leisure centre in pwllheli. There was like a cafe and a kitchen and kids bit, gym and everything. So I might do that rather than just a gym. And just gym. So on the gallery, so ar y gallery, this is the that's that one. This is the family terrace that I just done. Okay, this is the family terrace with the infant room. Efo start gyfer infant a plant. This is plas awen, yr un I just dangos. This is plas awen, the one I just showed. The one that is the art centre, y lle community ar gyfer bob dim. Hwn yw'r cabin ysgrifennwr. Right, this is the writer's cabin. So if you don't have kids in your playthrough, this is perfect. This is a deal against that. This is the first build I did. The first 2 floors are in it, so there's my un ystafell, 2 toilets. You can change it up as well, obviously, but hwn is the basic one, the first one I did. Modern Victorian terrace, toilet. Hwnna hefyd, and then when I had 1 child, so if you've got 1 child, mae yna ystafell in the top, there's just 1 room at top. If you wanted that, or you could just have a whole 3rd floor trydydd llawr llawn hefo family terrace. Mae bob iteration had a thing, because I saved it as it went, just like on, because I saved it as I did, just in case. Okay. So yeah, instead of like a full top floor, it's just a room, just a stafell. And yeah, then these are my Sims when I do Sims4. It's my friend Sim. So yeah, like I said, I can't like directly upload to YouTube ar hyn o bryd, ond diolch I pawb yn ddod. Thank you everybody Thank you everybody for coming. There's more to show, mwy fanos builds. Gonna take a little break. I'm going to break dipyn bach, dwi'n credu. But I really enjoyed this. Oedd yn really nice just as build I chi. Os mae hwn rhywbeth dwi eisiau gwneud yw gynnal yn hamdden. I want to do a leisure centre. Because I found it's, because if it's, dwi'n fawr bod o'n mwy yn Americanaidd and mwy fel gyms. Because thank you for watching. Diolch, mae'n ffordd. I'm going to take a little break from building for a bit. I might do like building like a leisure centre, because I found a lot of the game is Americanized because of where it is, which is completely fine. But I might do like more British builds more thingy. And also YouTube will keep this archived for longer than Twitch, so they're all on the gallery, free, you know, no packs or anything, bob dim. Maen nhw gyd ar y gallery, so bob dim. Nes I ffydio mwy o Twitch, mae'n trying ffydio mwy and be more interactive, trio fod mwy interactive a bob dim. And diolch I pawb, diolch am bob dim. A diolch, oedd e'n neis ffydio, it was neis ffydio on YouTube. And this will be here, so my builds I gyd, a diolch pawb yn gwylio. And I'm going to go back to get some drawing now I arlunio yn lle chwarae Sims. And diolch I pawb am ddod, oedd yn lovely hangio allan. It was so lovely to hang out with everybody. And yeah, like I said, builds diweddaraf, allan I etlati mwy. Recent builds, and I build a bit more. Diolch pawb, gadw'n saff.